Welcome to my channel. My name is Sudan. Today we are going to look cloud drive storage. In this video we are going to see what is cloud drive, how it's work, advantage and disadvantage of cloud drive, few cloud drive providers, explore some cloud drives. What is cloud drive or storage? A cloud drive is a web-based service that provides storage space on a remote server. Like we are buying a storage, like online storage, to save our files and everything. Like how we buy the storage in outside to store our furniture and everything outside my home. Like that, we are going to the cloud drive is over the internet, so it's a web-based service. How it's work? Cloud drive involve at least one data server that a user connect to via the internet. The user send file manually or in an automated fashion over the internet to the data server, which forward the information to multiple servers. The stored data is then accessible through a web-based interface. What that means, this is a data server. This is a data server, so we are going to buy a small storage from this company. So whenever we want to save the file, we just upload into the over the internet. So it will go and save on the data server. Sometimes instead of they have multiple data servers on the backend, so our files will be save on one server and it will back up on another server. Advantage of cloud drive: usability and accessibility. It's easy to access anywhere from the world, even though from laptop, PC, or even though from the mobile phone too. Cost efficient. Some provide some cloud drivers are very cheap. Convenient share of files. It's easy to share file with others rather than you copy into a USB and give it to them physically. Here you can upload one file and share it with the email address, so they will get right away. Security. Most of the cloud providers, they have own antivirus and network security and everything. So and outside they have the alarms and everything, so nobody enter that building. So it's very secure. A disaster recovery. If you save something on your local computer, something goes bad with your hard drive, so you will lose all the data. You can get recovery. There's some companies, they do recovery of the hard disk and everything, but it will cost you more. But cloud drives, they have backup servers and everything. If one server or one hard drive goes bad, still they have the backup on other computer, so we don't have to worry about the recovery. And disadvantage of cloud drive: drag and drop. Sometimes you have to click file and you got to drop it over the web base. It's very hassle sometimes. Internet dependency mean some people, they have low upload speed, so if we're going to upload a big file, it's going to take time. Depend on your internet speed. Data security and privacy. Even though I would say security is a big advantage, but it has a disadvantage too. Some hackers nowadays, they hack government, big companies and everything, Yahoo, Microsoft. So our data is it's not secure and privacy, but over there online they can hack and they can watch your videos or photos and everything. But it's happen because it's very rare. It's happened like that. But most of the cloud companies, they have the good securities, but hackers are more intelligent too. Expensive cloud storage. Some companies storage out expenses. I'll show you in next few minutes. Here's some few cloud drive providers: Google Drive, OneDrive, Amazon Cloud, iCloud, Dropbox, Box, Alibaba, OpenStack, and there are a lot of providers over there over the internet. When it comes to cost, Google Drive, they give you 15 GB free. OneDrive, they give you 5 GB free. The Apple iCloud, they don't have any free. You have to buy 15 GB for minimum 129 for month. Dropbox, they give you 2 GB, and Box, they give you 10 GB free. Overall, I will say OneDrive is good because I will show you next. Click. Okay, nowadays like Office 365 you have to buy annually, you have to pay for them monthly or annually. Previously we had to buy software, so once you install it's going to be there forever, but nowadays they are giving for annual price Microsoft. So if you want the latest Office version everything, so you have to purchase from them. If you purchase the Microsoft 365 personal, so they'll give you 1 TB of online storage. It's good enough for a lot like big files, photos, videos and everything. So you whatever you like, you get Outlook, Word, Excel, you can install up to 5 computers or devices. And if you have a family, if you want to buy the family version, is 109 per year or $11 a month. They give you 6 TB of spare like storage. You can share within the 6 people. They give you Outlook, Word, Excel, SharePoint, and you can install up to 5 computers or 5 devices. So I'm going to go through OneDrive and Google Drive, how it's work and everything. Okay. On the Google Chrome, just type OneDrive. So you will get the OneDrive live.com. Just click that one, and you have to sign in with your Hotmail username and password. When you look into that, it's going to look like this. It's going to see your name and my file, recent, shared, recycle bin and everything. If you want to create a folder, just click on new, click folder, and you can name that folder. I'm going to give name Cloud Drive. Okay, we create the one folder over here. So click that folder, and if you want to upload, just click upload file, or you want to upload a file or folder. I'm going to upload one file. Just click file and select that file and click open. See, it's copied over there. If you want to share the file with others, you can click share and give their email address over here. Type the email address, the person who is with you, who is going to share like that, and click send. So anyone with link can edit. That means like person you share with them, they can edit that picture or video. If you don't want them to edit, just uncheck this one, allow editing, and click apply. Then type the email and send it. And another way you can share with them is copy link. So copy the link and send that link via email address. So when they receive it, they click that link and they can open the video, file or pictures. And another way to upload into Cloud Drive, okay, most of the people nowadays they have Windows 10, so just go to this PC, okay, and on the left hand side you can see OneDrive. So just click on OneDrive. So you have to, again you have to give your Hotmail username and password to sign in. When you sign in, you can upload over here too. See, we create one folder, Cloud Drive, and therefore like file presentation one we uploaded right now going to be synchronized over there. And if you want to upload a file, just click on that file, right click, copy, and go to the Cloud Drive and click paste. This is like how you copy the file into GSP, copy and paste. So this is a small file, so just go to here, my files, see it's uploaded over here automatically. Okay, if you want to delete that file, you can click on a three dot. Okay, you can click delete. So it will ask you, do you want to delete this file and send to the recycle bin? Click delete. So it will delete over here. Okay, make sure when you delete the file, it's going to delete on both from your computer and from the online storage. And if you go to recycle bin, okay, you can see the file you deleted right now. You can really recover or you can delete it permanently. Are you sure you want to remove person from the end user recycle bin? Click here. It's going to be delete automatically. And here if somebody share one file and everything to the one like here, if you click share and we send it to the link, if they have the OneDrive and everything, so it will come under the share folder. So they can share, they can see the whatever share files and everything over here under the share. Okay, this is about the OneDrive. Next we are going to go through my Google Drive. Google Drive, just go to the Chrome and click on the Google app, click on Drive. It's same as OneDrive. So if you want to like new folder and everything, just click new folder. Okay, and name that folder and click create. So the folder will be here. And if you want to upload a file or folder, same as like click file upload, select that file and click open. So it uploaded over here. And if you want to share the file in the Google Drive, just right click and share and type the like person email address. When you're done, just click done. If you want to share the link, just click the copy link, paste on your email and share it with them. Restricts only people can open with this link, so you can add people with like with this link. They can only able to open that, nobody else going to like able to open. Okay, and again if you want to delete that file, just click right click and click remove. Okay, so that file be on the trash. So if you want like okay, right click, and if you want to restore that file, right click and click restore. And if you don't want that file, click delete forever. So presentation 1 will be delete forever and you won't able to restore it. Like if you delete forever, you can't able to recover that file. So make sure before you delete the file or folder. So this is about Google Drive. Most of people they have the Android phone. If you look in the Android phone, just go just look for this folder like the pictures drive. So whatever you synchronize over here, you can it will synchronize on your phone too. And OneDrive, you can like download OneDrive through the Google Play on the phone. So we explore OneDrive and Google Drive. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or need help to buy products or business need, feel free to contact me at infohartech2020@gmail.com. Please subscribe and share this video to others. Thank you.